Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. I'm going to show you something. Basically, I'm not feeling well, and this is called Jashanda. And I do believe in home remedies. I do eat medication, but I'm going to use this, and I'm going to show you how to make this. And I got really bad cold, sore throat, everything. Normally, I'm okay. I eat good things. I work with the patient. But once a year, you have flu and everything. That's okay. Your body have to do something to recover it. And this is a honey. My friend and my neighbor, my brother, sister, they went back home and they brought it for me. And mashallah, it's very pure honey. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to make Joshanda. So this is the packet. I'm going to put it in this cup, full pack, and just I'm going to add boiling water. And I do drink a lot of water when you are ill or have temperature. So I'm going to wait for like 2-3 minutes to cool it down. And just going to mix it now. That's it, done. You don't need sugar or anything. But when it's going to cool down a little bit, then I'm going to add a teaspoon honey. If you put in hot water, you lose all the benefit of the honey then. So that's my belief, and I thought I'll share this tip with you. This is for cold, sore throat, earache. I got everything basically, and I thought I'll share this with you. And this one you can buy from any Asian grocery store, and this have a lot of good things, spices in, and you can see the ingredient. They are very small, but let me try to show you. Can you see it? Then I try to show you the ingredient and how to make it. And it seriously does work. And all the ingredients are there. And all the details are there. And I've been using this for years, and it does work. So I thought I'd share this with you. And after cooling this Joshanda down, this is much honey I'm going to put in. That's it, like half teaspoon. And honey has so many benefits. And you know, honey is antibiotic. And then now I'm going to show you this recipe. And I had 2 paracetamol. I'm going to have like a cup of this. And you can have strong, or I can add more water in, because when you're ill you must drink a lot of water. Doesn't matter if warm water or tea or any drink, to keep you and you flush all the bad bacteria out of your body. And I thought I'll share this with you, and this does work for me. And I do use home remedies. So today I'm going to make a soup. I made already soup on my YouTube channel. It's called Paya recipe, and that's really good for your joint, and all the ingredients I put in, they are good for winter. And that's recipe from like a very old lady, my friend. She given me the recipe, and she's so fit and healthy. And this recipe will work for you as well. And there's another few drinks. They are homemade drink, no side effect. So I'm going to make those, and hopefully inshallah I'll recover quickly, and then I'll share those with you as well. Today I'm going to make one like it's another soup for when you have cold, cough, earache, and all the bugs going on, because in UK is winter weather today, and when you're going from cold room to hot rooms, and this does affect you. And I work, so I do leave early for morning, and you work in warm, nice environment, and when you come out, so it does affect you. And being ill once a year is okay, but if you're being ill again, please make sure go to your doctor, do full blood test, check your immune system, eat good and healthy things like honey, lemon, mint. All these things can repair your body. And like I said, another video, please eat fresh fruit. For example, now it's winter, there's a lot of nice oranges outside, and I do eat oranges. When it's like apple season, I eat apple. So don't eat like these fruit. They are like full of sugar or they've been cut for you. So I hope nobody mind what I'm saying. But my point is, like I normally eat fruit, but some people make a smoothie. It depends. Doesn't matter which way you like, but do your best to not like kill the nutrition as well. So I hope you like my vlog and let me know what kind of thing you do when you have cold or cough. Can you see, mashallah, this pure honey, and I'll show you another honey. So I can't show you the name, but this is local honey as well. What I did, I went to my local farm and I bought honey. I'm not like a very rich person. I'm normal, down to earth, but I try to eat good ingredient. So this is local honey from my local farm, and basically one of my family member had sneezing issue, and they said if you eat local honey and that will prevent that, and seriously that did work. He used to sneeze a lot, and I brought him local honey, and he high fever, he fever, whatever you call it, is gone. So I definitely recommend. This is best trip and tried and tested. So like I said, I do share my video, real things, no fake things. I'm not after viewers, I'm not after money. Alhamdulillah, good job. But my point is, if you get benefited, Allah Pak, God will give me reward for it. So that's my charity, that's my sadaqah jariyah. So please, if you see anything good in my video, share with your family, friend, comment, like, then I can motivate me to keep going. And inshallah, I'll see you in next video.